Hello everyone, how are you doing? Trust you're having a great day. Today we are making red velvet cake. So to start with, we'll be adding 2 eggs to our bowl. We are medium size and I went ahead to add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Went ahead to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then I mixed everything together and I just added in my half cup of sugar to it as well. So I mixed everything till it is combined and I set it aside. So in another bowl, I added in my 2 cups of flour and I added in some red color, food color. Then I went ahead to add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Yes, guys, the cocoa powder is what is going to help the red food coloring to bring out the color. Yes, guys, and next I added in 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. I added in a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. I mixed everything together and I set it aside. So I got a bigger bowl, pour in my dry ingredients and wet ingredients together. So I'm going to carefully mix it. Guys, look at it. You can see that it is very thick. So I'm going to go ahead and add in half cup of hot water. Yes, and I'm going to mix everything together. So now, guys, look at what we have. It looks so creamy. Yes, guys, and that is just a simple recipe for our red velvet cake. So I'm going to oil my baking tin and I'm going to go ahead and pour in my mixture into the baking pan. Yes, guys. So once I'm done pouring it in, I tapped it. I'm going to be hair frying this. Guys, look at what we have now. So if you're still here till this moment, thank you so much for staying by. See you in my next video. I love you. Have a great day. Please subscribe, like this video if you have not done so. Until next time, bye.